In the world of construction, precision and efficiency are not just important, lives depend on it. But what if I tell you that a solution has completely changed the way defects are identified and reported? Meet Vertex Inspector, a solution to simplify the process of defects identification. With our system, recording defects is not just a task, it's an experience. Let me show you how. We understand that identifying issues in construction images can be challenging. That is why we have introduced an intuitive grid system. Watch, our inspector effortlessly highlights the precise location of a defect. No more time-consuming guesswork. Our grid system ensures accuracy and saves valuable time, allowing your team to focus on what they do best: build excellence. But we do not stop there. Our photo capture feature ensures high-definition images because every image is a record and means for you to deliver quality. Creating comprehensive reports has never been this easy. Our system compiles all the data, images, and defects locations into a professional, easy-to-understand report, empowering you to make informed decisions swiftly and assign it to the related person. Let's talk about the challenges we faced in this project and the solutions we implemented and the technology we used. So there were few challenges we faced. First challenge was flow of defects. How we are going to identify the defect, how we are going to assign it to somebody, who we are going to assign to, and these kind of things. The second thing was related to image handling, because images had an important part in this project, and when you were identifying a defect, you were using images to report it. So that was another challenge, how we are going to maintain the quality of the images. Third thing was very important, because when you capture a picture of a defect, you need to see that where the actual defect is. You do not want to spend the whole day identifying where the actual defect is, because when you are taking a picture, of course, in the construction site, it's a huge room or huge building or something like that, and you are identifying a defect. So you need to be very precise that where the actual defect is. Now let's talk about the solutions of these three things which we implemented. First thing we discussed, flow of assignments. So in that, very easy thing to do in these kind of projects is that you need to document each and everything. You need to document the flow before you start implementing the project, or you start coding the project, or you start working on any of these things. You need to document these things before that. Second thing we talked about was image quality. For that, of course, we implemented some of the algorithms, we implemented some of the conditions. So this is how we made sure that images are uploaded in high quality. Third thing we talked about was precision. That was the most crucial part, because the purpose of this project is to save time cost. When you are trying to save time, then you have to be very precise at where the actual defect is. So what we did was we divided the image we are capturing into different grids. Grids were dynamic, which were defined by the administrators. So administrator can define how many grids this defect is going to have. So what we did was we divided it into the grids, and within those grids, inspector can easily highlight the grid in which the actual problem or defect is. So this is how we precisely identified where the defect lies. So these are the solutions which helped us to meet all the challenges we faced in the development phase. Now let's talk about the technology we have used in this project. For the mobile applications of Inspector and the person who we are going to assign defects, we used Flutter, and for the backend APIs, we used Node.js. For the front end of administrator, we've used React.js. To develop your projects from Al-Burraq Technologies, you have to email us at ali@alburraq.com.